Uh, Hello, welcome to Let's Begin channel. So in this video, we are going to solve a problem called two-sum from Leetcode. So we will receive an array of elements like this. So there is a target element. Okay. So when we adding the first element and second element like consecutively, we have to get 9. See, for example, if we adding a target value is 9, so I'm adding the first element in array and second element in array, so we'll get a 9. So we have to return the indexes of those two elements. So in this way we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so this one condition is there. uh, so we have to try to resolve with O of n squared time complexity. Less than that we have to solve. So what is that big O of n squared? So big O of n squared is nothing but for nested for loops. This is called a O of n squared time complexity. It takes a lot of time to execute compared to big O. Big O is like big O of n. I mean, so big O of n, it will take less time, a single for loop. If we talk of big O of n squared, it takes two nested for loops. So for one for loop, it takes time again another one. So it takes execution time more. So we are going to resolve this problem with big O of n with a single looping. Okay. So let's start fixing this problem. Okay. Okay. So I have copied this code. So I have copied this line of a code. Okay, so copy it. So I have pasted here. Okay, so I have the value of 27113 as an array of values, and my target value will be 14. Okay, let's start writing a code. So I'm declaring a variable. First one, element 1. We are going to write a very simple logic to complete this functionality with efficient manner of big O of n. Okay, complexity. So element 1 equal to, I'm assigning nums first index. Okay, where element 2 equal to nums first element. Okay, so okay, fine. So while element 1 or element 2, so any one value is there, it should come get into while loop. Okay, so now I will be checking the condition if element 1 plus element 2 equal to target. Okay, if it is a target, so return. Okay, so we have to get the index of 0 and 1. So we cannot hard code like 0 comma 1. So because when if you see the array, the 2 and 7 is 9, not 14. So obviously we have to move the window to next set of value. 7 and 11 we have to sum. Again it is 18, so we need 14. Again we have to switch to 11 and 3, so we will get 14. So we have to make this as a dynamic moving. So for this I'm declaring a variable I equal to 0. Okay, where j equal to 1. Okay, so now I'm removing this I comma j. Okay, else else we have going to increment I plus plus and j plus plus. What happens when you're incrementing it? I plus plus means it's 1 plus 1. So now current value will be 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So obviously the value become element 1 equal to nums of I. Okay. Element 2 equal to nums of j. Okay, so what happens if it is first value is not matching, I mean 0 and first index is not matching, then it goes to first index and second index. Like I have I is incremented plus 1, so 0 become 1 first index. Okay, so first index value will be assigned to element 1, and then j become 1, j is assigned to be 1 and become 2 when we're incrementing it. So then I'm taking the second index value into element 2. Again the loop going back, and it will start adding it, and it checking the target. If target is true, it simply returns the indexes of the array. Okay. Okay, so let's execute it. It looks fine. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, so now 2 and 3 index, let's see. So the first index and second index is 9. Sum is 9, so this is not matching. Then next will be 11 and 7 and 11, so 18, so even it is not matching. Then let's compare 11 and 3, so 14. So the index is first index is 0, 1, 2. So these two indexes 2 and 3. So the index value is 2 and 3. So we have our code is correct. It's correctly executing. So now let's understand. So every time, so for example, element 1, 2, okay, that will be now value 2 will be assigned, okay, and then this one value 7 will be assigned, okay. Then it will come here and it will add 2 plus 7, okay. Then it will check with the 14, okay. It is not matching. Then it will go to equal to false, okay. So it will directly jump to here true. So what it does, so I equal to 0, the earlier I equal to 0, so it become I equal to 1, I equal to 1, okay. So then now j equal to 1, already have assigned j equal to 1. Then j equal to 2, okay. Now num of I, so it means num of nums of 1. 1, what is the index of 1 here? 0th index is 2. So first index is 7. So equal to 7. Okay. So then nums j become 2, second index. So what is the second index? So 11. So first index 0, 0 index, first index, and second index is 11. So second index become 11. Okay. So the values are sent to element 1 and 2. So it will come here. It will come to the if condition loop. So it will check, and 7, it becomes 7 plus 11. Okay, equal to 14. No, it is not matching. It's become 18 false. So again come to the else loop, and again it increments. 1 become 2, 2 become 3. Okay, then the second index, and then third index. So I become 2 and j become 3. So the index value is, second index is 11, and third index will be 3. Okay, I mean 0 index, first index, second index, third index. Okay, 3. Now again it will come to the if loop, and it will check. So 11, 3. Now it's become 14. So it says true. Okay, then it just returns the value. Okay. So let's change the number to this one, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 4, and then value 6. So let's run. So 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2, 0 index. So first index and second index is 6. So we resolve this problem with big O of n. Okay, because we are using only one loop. It's called while loop. Okay, we are not using any nested loops. So we can able to solve this problem with a less complexity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please don't forget to comment on this video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.